Hello class. I will take a few moments to explain how to read your MBTI assessment results. This is the first page on your assessment results for the MBTI. It should have your name and the date that you have completed the assessment. Page 2, you can actually read on your own, which is just a general introduction and overview regarding the MBTI assessment. Page 3 will highlight your MBTI assessment results. You will see in the top right corner ISFJ, as well as you will see in the top part of the page, you will see your type. For example, it is ISFJ. You can also clearly see your type indicated in page 3 that is highlighted by a gray out area. It actually might be blue on yours. But the gray out is the dominant letter that has been chosen for each of the 4 categories. Again, that is ISFJ in our example. If you look at the bottom of page 3, you will then see a bar graph that represents your preference and how strong the preference is for that particular category. In the example, I do want to highlight a couple of things. If your score is between 0 and 5, you are what is known as slight preference. What that means is that on any given occasion and the environment in which you are living and working out, your preference may actually switch. You may actually go back and forth like a pendulum. So between 0 and 5, you may notice between home, work, school, maybe with family, as well as different with socially with friends, that you might operate in either E or either I in the example. That will be the same for any of the 4 categories if you are in slight. A pendulum is okay. What you need to determine though is if for work, since we are trying to determine your major and career, which area actually, which do you prefer more? That will help you in determining best which careers may be best suited for you. The other example that you will see here is in the second category as well as the last category. This particular score range is very clear. Anything that's very clear means that that's a strong preference for those areas, and those strong preferences you should see consistently in all environments that you live and work in. Again, those environments could be home, school, work, family, friends, social type of environments. The third area that we see here is the thinking and feeling for our example. And in our example, we will see that this is between 0 and about 15. This is what was known as moderate. So therefore, moderate preference related to these areas. If you have moderate, that pretty much means you can see some aspects and characteristics of this particular type within all of your environments. They may not be as strong in some environments over others, but it is clearly seen. The other area where you may receive a score is clear. Clear would be between 0 and about the 23 or so, right? 25, excuse me. And with clear, that just means again that you can clearly see that particular type in any of your environments. Page 4, 5, 6, and 7 I will not cover as part of your assessment results interpretation. Those are all for your reading, and primarily what each of those pages represents is your strength to the type as well as your challenges to that type and suggested strategies. Because there are 16 possible types, therefore, if you work with someone of the full opposite type of you, then you may have challenges in personal relationships as well as maybe in work because you prefer different ways of actually deciding on information, deciding on things, as well as taking in information, as well as the way you respond to how you handle all your responsibilities, as well as how you work with others. So just be mindful that those pages give you some suggested strategies of how to understand your type, and how to work with others within your type. The next page that you will see in your assessment results will be page 8. And page 8 gives you a list of attractive job families. Job families are another way for calling them career clusters, or areas of where you can pursue looking for a career. Now, these job families are not based on education level, so you will see a variety of education levels displayed within the job families. You will need to do research on what careers within those job families are best suited for your educational goals, as well as maybe also even salary. Part of what the assignment would ask you to do, especially related to your paper, is to go through, look at each of the areas and highlight careers that are most interesting to you. Highlight those careers and take note of careers that you would love to most likely pursue as part of your ultimate career goals. The next page in your assessment result will be page 9. Now, page 9 takes the careers one step further and gives you a display of the most popular occupations or careers within your type. You can also look at this list of careers, and you should see, of course, some that were on the previous page 8. Go ahead and do the same. Highlight careers that are of interest for you, and that you will take time to actually do research later for another assignment coming up. The last page of your assessment result is just highlighting page, which is page 10, and it's not highlighted on the PowerPoint, but that page 10 just gives you an example of least popular occupations related to your type. So those will be careers that you will want to stay away from. If you remember doing the lecture on yesterday, then in the lecture we went through writing your name with your preferred way, which is the way you most likely learned how to write your name, and then writing your name with your opposite hand. Most popular occupations would be natural fits for you, writing your name the first way. Least occupations would be writing your name the second way with your opposite hand. Hopefully this helps you with understanding how to review and read your assessment results. If you have any questions, you can definitely text me, email me, and or post to the discussion, the free discussion post, and I will try to answer. And hopefully this will help you with writing your Holland-Myers paper for this weekend. Thank you.